Hey there, Darren Campbell with Confident Home Solutions, licensed general contractor, builder, remodeler in North Carolina. We're here checking out this DeWALT 20 volt cordless DCG413B grinder that DeWALT's offering here. We personally think unboxing videos are a joke because I really think you need to run the thing before you actually give it a review. We ran this thing. It's sitting on top of the box, but just that way so we have the specs. This thing is 800 watts, 9,000 RPMs, 5/8 takes traditional 4.5 inch cutoff wheels, and yeah, it says it's 3.75 pounds. What's your thoughts of it?
I like it.
Like it. So we currently have a Metabo that rides on our work vehicle, and that's pretty awesome. Milwaukee corded grinder just bit the dust, and we have a DeWALT. DeWALT still works fine, runs, but the switch is messing up. But so he wanted to get a grinder that he could get in and do some nasty work with, that I wouldn't be getting after him running the Metabo in. I think that's where he was going with it. So why don't you go over some of the features on this, showing how to run that. All right, let me come in on it.
We're doing okay. So guard removal is, if you're holding it upside down, would be let's see, clockwise, and of course hold the lock and take the nut off. And there's a little pin right here, or clip on the back side. You just push it and it comes right off. And for reassembly, you put it about where that clip starts right there. You see that part moving? And you push down, because there's a little spring. And then you take it clockwise again.
It has to go clockwise. We found that out. You can't get it to go on by turning it counterclockwise. So this arbor nut here, they have spring loaded it. So what's so cool about that is it's going to keep your thin disc or whatever tight. Actually, all of them. If it were to back off and what have you. Why don't you show how to tighten this thing?
So let's say I cinched it right down. Allen is included, just like any traditional grinder. You just hold the lock and counterclockwise takes it off. So
one thing that we think possibly might be an advantage or disadvantage is the Allens have a tendency to strip off. However, Harley mentioned some of the deeper dish, like paint removal bits, or not bits,
wheels.
Blades, wheels, there we go, are deep inset. So this would allow you to get in there and to access that nut. So that's kind of cool. So, all right, let's get using this thing. We got some angle iron here, and Harley's gonna test her out. Stalled her out for the first time.
Dead.
You know, for what that battery is, there's nothing wrong with that.
You know what? Let's just say it this way. Versus a corded grinder, when the battery dies, it's time for a break time. We should go get some drinks.
Well, going through the 6 amp in it. The baby Flexvolt.
Changing wheels.
No, just hit it. Go ahead and finish that cut up. I want to hear if there's any difference in RPMs. Go ahead and push into a hard. Okay. I'm gonna lay into it now. I guarantee you would have stalled the corded one out.
Yeah.
Maybe you guys it may not go through the whole Nice. Why don't we go ahead and throw a flap disc on it?
All right.
Yeah, I think we've reached the age of cordless grinders.
Alright, got a flap disc on here, and we're just getting rid of some rust. Alright, what we got here is a mower blade. Guess you're supposed to keep a 30-degree angle. And it'll come straight on it, so.
Alright, so conclusion of the DCG413 DeWALT grinder. Would you buy it again?
Yeah.
Alright, cool. I think you just proved that with some decent batteries, this thing's awesome. So, hopefully you enjoyed this. Come on back, hit the subscribe button, notification, leave a comment, and tell us why you think cordless hasn't arrived yet. Alright. Done!
Hey, lots of sparks, I like it.